Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to sew this pretty simple dress for a 3-year-old child. If this is a video you are interested in learning, then join me. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notifications so you are notified each time we share a video. I have here the fabric that I'll be using to work on this beautiful dress. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the wrong side of this fabric, and then we'll place our pattern on it and then cut. So I have gone ahead to place my pattern on my fabric, the wrong side of my fabric. This is my center front, which I have placed on fold. As you can see the fabric, this is the folded part here, and then this is the center back. I went ahead to add seam allowances of 1 inch to the sides, 1 inch to the sides, and I did ½ inch for every other side of the pattern. So from here I'm going to cut my pattern. So this is it, we have it here. I have gone ahead to cut the patterns beautifully, and I went ahead to also cut facing. We are going to self-face this dress, so I went ahead to cut facing for both the front and then the back. So the facing is just 2 inches below the armhole for each of them. So here we have it. I'm going to go ahead and then stitch the neckline down by ½ inch all around here, and then the neckline here as well. When I'm stitching the back, I'm going to leave at least ½ inch to 1 inch here to cater for the zipper, which I'll be sewing later on. So here we have it. I have gone ahead to stitch this. I left about almost 1 inch here and then almost 1 inch here, and I've gone ahead to stitch this as well all around, and I trimmed it up a bit to help the neckline relax. Then I also top stitch round. So here we have it. I'm going to also trim this a bit. So I'm going to place this here and then align this as well here. This is how the back is going to look like. Then I'm going to open this up. Open these two. So I'm going to open these two up and make sure that the seam lines are aligned together. Then taking my pin it down. Then and do the same for here as well. Make sure the seam lines are aligned. So I'm going to head to the sewing machine and then stitch it down by ½ inch round. So here we have it. I have gone ahead to stitch it all around at ½ inch here. So I'm going to head to the ironing table and then press this down. So after pressing this down beautifully, I'm going to do this way, then take my pins and then pin it. I'm basically pinning the facing on our fashion fabric. So after pinning, this is what I have. So you can also do it this way. You match, make sure that the seam lines here are aligned here. Go ahead and pin this. So after pinning, this is what we have. So I'm going to head over to the sewing machine and stitch this down by ½ inch all round. So here we have it. I have gone ahead to stitch this down by ½ inch all round, like I said. So I'm going to pull this out this way. I'm going to pull this out. Here we have it. So I'm going to head over to the ironing table and then press this down so that it relaxes nicely and beautifully. And the next I'm going to do is to sew the sides. So I'm going to head to the sewing machine and then sew it down. I'm going to sew from here down, from this side also down. So I'm gonna head to stitch the sides. This is the top of our beautiful dress here. I'm going to notch the center of this top. I'm going to the center this way. So I have here a piece of fabric. This is going to be my waist. This is my hem. From the waist to the hem is 16 inches, and I multiplied the waist by 2, so I got 42 inches. I'm going to gather it together. This is the skirt as well, the waist side of the skirt. I have gone ahead to draw the gathers beautifully, and then I left about 1 inch on both sides of the skirt. So I'm going to hold it this way and then notch the center as well. So after notching, I'm going to match the notches, which is this way. So the notch, I'm going to match the top here, align it with this, and then I'm going to go ahead and then pin this all around. So I am done with pinning this down. So I'm going to head over to the sewing machine and then stitch it down on 1/2 inch. So I have gone ahead to stitch it round on 1/2 inch, like I said. So our dress is picking up beautifully, as you can see. So pretty at the moment. So the next I'm going to do is I am going to open this up. So I'm going to pin this, the center back down. So I'm going to head over to the sewing machine and stitch from the hem to 10 inches upward. And then after that, I'm going to fix my zipper. This is my matching zipper I'm using for this dress. So I'm going to fix the zipper on the back as well. So here we have it. I have gone ahead to stitch the zipper nicely and beautifully. And then I went ahead to stitch a bias. This is a bias binding. And then I went ahead to stitch it around the hemline. You can use any color of your choice for this. So I'm going to head over to the sewing machine and then turn this way and then stitch round, all around. So at the end of the day, the bias is not going to show. So I'm done with this dress. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful. Look at the hemlines, very beautiful, very neat. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification, and be notified each time we make a post. See you in our next video. Bye.